Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about arrays. An array is a variable that holds multiple values of the same type. To declare array, first decide data type and then square bracket and then array name is equal to operator, new operator, and once again data type and the square in which you have to put size of the array. If you want to assign values to the array, then we can also assign. Index of array start with 0. So to assign values to first element, this is the syntax for assigning values. We can also declare like this as shown in example, and we have printed the sum of the arrays which is shown in output. Let's see multidimensional array. Multidimensional array is used when we want to give format like a table in the output or in a storage location. We have declared 2 by 2 array. We can assign values to array similarly like single dimensional, and the method is used for accessing element is same as the single dimensional array. So we are displaying fourth element of the multidimensional array as we have shown in the program. We can see output is a 14, which is the fourth element of multidimensional array. Next type of array is a jagged array. It is used when in arrays rectangle cell we don't want to put value, means we want to just keep it as empty. The declaration syntax for jagged array is shown in the program. We have to reinitialize the jagged array with the different size. Initialize array by specific dimension as shown. Let display contents of the array as shown in program. We will use very simple method system.console.writeLine and various elements in that function writeLine. We have to pass first dimension in separate bracket and second dimension in other bracket. So let's see the output. See the first element in the output. Thank you.